Hi, how to reset your Xiaomi C200 camera. This can be done in two ways. First, through the narrow drop hole. Move the lens up. You will find a small reset hole located below the SD card slot. We will need a needle to be inserted to reset hole. Insert and press. The camera will start to rotate. The LED indicator will start flashing yellow. As soon as the LED turns solid orange, the reset is fully complete. Second option, through the app. Open up the My Home app. Select your camera and click Open. Access settings by clicking on the three dots located in the top right corner. Scroll down to the deleting option. Click on it and confirm. There will be no camera on the main screen anymore. Reset has been successfully completed. Thanks for watching. You'll find more tips for your IP camera in the playlist. If you enjoyed this video, hit subscribe so our channel pops up first when you search for solutions.